doll. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an inspired look. I follow this page called Pidgin Doll, and they make the most beautiful dolls I have ever seen. The makeup, the hair, the clothing, everything. It's beautiful. So I wanted to recreate one of their dolls that I thought maybe I can pull that off. The doll is beautiful. I'll show you a picture now. So that is the doll that I recreated on myself. And it was so much fun. I always love when I can just be creative and throw a lot of color on my face. Just put it everywhere. Anyhow, if you want to see how to go about this, keep watching. For this tutorial, I used the Juvia's Place Douce palette and Kat Von D Better Together palette, as well as Tarte Blush in Splendor, my usual Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara, Maybelline Gel Liner in Espresso, Wet n Wild Eye Pencil in Black, Black Moon Liquid Lipstick in Mourning, RK by Kiss Lip Liner in Totes Pink, Ciate London Starstruck Liquid Eyeliner. Here are the brushes listed out. Okay, let's begin. We're going to start as always by first applying our concealer all over the eyelid. And then patting it down. Okay, so starting with the blush and a blending brush, we're going to start by patting it on the inner corner and then working it out. We keep applying and we keep blending. For this look, blending is definitely the trick. Alright, now with the Juvia's Place Douce palette, we're going into Cream, which is a lighter warm pink, and with a really big blending brush, we're going to apply it all over the cheek and blend it at the same time. Back to the blush, this time with a blending brush and a pencil brush. With the pencil brush, we're going to apply it underneath the eye. And with the blending brush, we're going to carve out the cheekbone, so applying it right underneath the cheekbone to darken that hollow. And blending it up. Next, we're grabbing a clean blending brush, and we're going to further blend the eyeshadow and the blush. Okay, now with the Kat Von D Better Together palette and a crease brush, I'm going to start by patting it on the outer corner and creating a wing shape. Keep applying the eyeshadow little by little and blending it at the same time. Okay, now we're going to go back with the blush and apply a little more surrounding the black. Back with the crease brush and the Kat Von D palette, we're going to keep applying a little more black on the outer corner. Okay, it's time for eyeliners and mascara. We're going to start with the pencil liner, starting by lining the waterline in the inner corner. And also the lower outer corner of the eye. Next up, liquid eyeliner. We're going to create a slightly dramatic wing for this look, going upwards and out. Applying healthy coats of mascara on the top lashes. And also the lower lashes, and making sure that they're very dramatic. Okay, it's freckle time with the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner, an espresso, and these two liner brushes. And we're going to start with the larger brush to create the bigger freckles. So I tried to match these freckles exactly where they were on her face, especially the big ones because they stand out. So you lightly dot these freckles on. Now with the smaller liner brush, we're going to create the little freckles. So we're going to dot and then pat them with our finger very lightly to sort of blend them. Okay, back with the liquid eyeliner, and this time we're just going to draw freehand a little heart. Okay, it's time to line the lips and smudging that liner a little bit. Now applying the liquid lipstick, concentrating on the center of the lips while blotting it, and then we're going to smudge it. We're going to smudge the edges with our finger. putting that away, and the look is finished. Okay guys, so that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, something different, inspired, and yeah, if you want to try this out, have some fun putting some freckles on your face. I know I enjoyed that. I love looking at my face and seeing all these freckles. I had freckles when I was a kid, but they faded away because I've exfoliated the bejesus out of my face. My skin is super exfoliated, so I no longer have those little freckles here. Anyhow, yeah, I hope you liked this and enjoyed it. Like I already said, I'm repeating myself because I lost my train of thought. Don't forget to give my video the thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials that are fun, and Amy Lee makeup tutorials as well. And as always, guys, rock on. I'm not gonna lie, I could wear something like this all the time. I don't know why I'm loving these freckles. They're so awesome. I don't know. Yeah, I like them. I like freckles. But yeah, so it's pigeon. Not like the bird, not pigeon, but pigeon. So yeah, just in case you were wondering. These contacts, if anybody wants to know, are from TTDI. I'm gonna put it somewhere around here. And these are their Polar Lights Gray. So they're not the Queen Gray that I always wear. These are more of a real gray color. So the doll has those gray eyes, and I wanted to match it as much as I could. So that's what I'm wearing today for contacts. And if you use my code MakeupArtistMe, and I'll put it here. I have to look. Make sure I get it right. If you use MakeupArtistMe when you're checking out, you get 10% off. And it also works when things are on sale, so don't forget about that. I'm pretty sure. So anyway, I'm gonna have to go out looking like this. I don't care, it's just other people, you know what I mean? Like, they're the ones that are like, whoa. And I'm just like, la 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 la, don't even see you. I'm that person, by the way. Whenever I'm out and about, I don't see anybody. I'm in the zone, I'm in my head, I'm thinking about what I need to get, and I don't see anyone else. That's not always a good thing, but for me it is, because I can just tune the world out, you know, and not care, not be like self-conscious, or yeah, about all the other people around me. I have to. In order to function, I have to do that. Otherwise, I'm way too aware of other people, and I can drive myself crazy. This is, by the way, my practice hand. I don't know if you guys ever noticed, but I always have like swatches and marks on this hand right here, because I do kind of practice a little bit to make sure that I know what I'm doing. It's the first time I've ever done freckles. First time! I've never done freckles on my face. This is the first time I've done them. So, yeah, there you go. I love this coffee. Iced coffee, perfect for this warm weather. Alright, see you guys later.